Hello everyone and welcome back to your channel. You weren't expecting that, was you? Right, so I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Now where do I start with this? Shall we start with Moises Caicedo? Right, so this is 12:30 in the afternoon. You've got people waving at me drone here. 1 second. Got these waving at me drone here. Where are they? Hi, you're famous. They stopped waving now. They were all waving at the drone. Right, anyway. They're still looking at it. So, Moises Caicedo. I followed this all last night. So, last night, well, yesterday, morning time probably, Liverpool put in showed interest, if you like, in Moises Caicedo. Me, like most of everyone, would probably take it with a pinch of salt. Liverpool showing interest. And then late last night, it was looking serious. A lot of tarmac gone down there, isn't there? Yeah, it was looking serious with the Caicedo offer. So, Chelsea have taken months getting this over the line. Chelsea have been interested in this lad for, what, 3 months, something like that. And Liverpool come in last night. Brighton said, deadline by 12 o'clock, the highest bidder gets him. Chelsea bid 100 million, Liverpool bid, depends where you read it, 110, 111 million pounds. Depends where you get your information from. So Liverpool won, and even this morning, Jurgen Klopp being on and talking about it on his press conference, saying that the deal's been agreed by the clubs. Now, it turns out that Caicedo may have changed his mind. He's still in London, yet to travel up to Liverpool to sign a contract. Now, what that means, I don't know. Have Chelsea come in with a more improved offer? Or are Chelsea offering the player more money in wages? Than Liverpool. Let's have a look down here a second. Either way, this is going to be an interesting day, this with this Caicedo offer situation, if you like. Now, Brighton have come out and said the deadline was 12 o'clock last night. That deadline hasn't changed. So as far as Brighton is concerned, he's going to be a Liverpool player. But why is it being reported that Caicedo is having second thoughts? Be interesting to hear everyone's thoughts on this, and by the time this goes out, everything might have changed again. I don't know. I'll be keeping tabs on it all day, finding out what's going on. What they're doing there, yeah, securing more than aren't they? So, very interesting indeed. So Liverpool have got the money there to spend. Now people are saying, why didn't they just offer that for Bellingham? Now this is just off the top of my head. Was Hendo and Fabinho still Liverpool players when Liverpool pulls out of the Bellingham transfer? I can't remember if they were or not. Because getting them two off the wage bill's been probably a massive injection into the transfer kitty. I did the Forever Stones are finished there, aren't they? So every Forever Stone that is being paid for is, oh, yeah, it's down, isn't it? Yeah, everyone's down. And that is a grid that I said yesterday. What a stupid place to put the grid. So not everyone's Forever Stones down. They're going after the work out something around that grid. Oh, that's stupid, that. Can anyone work out why they've put a grid there? Let me know. Yeah, so those two coming off the wage bills probably had a, you know, what Liverpool, an impact on what Liverpool can do in the transfer market. If Caicedo falls through, we've got £110 million there to spend. So there's no excuses for getting another player in, or for not getting another player in. So this is going to be all hands to the pump now on the outside here, because fans have been receiving letters inviting them to a test event this Tuesday. Day we are now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days time. For the lower, it's 50% of the lower tier, I think, have been invited. So it's not a lot. It's just to probably see how the facilities run, if you like, the bars, the exit gates, and probably an evacuation will happen of some sort. So I'm not sure if all this needs to be done or just the corners need to be ready for letting fans in. But either way, I'll be here because I'll be able to get some access of some sort by the stadium. Okay, as I'm going to get right in the air, going to go over the pitch, going to have a look in that corner, see if there's any more movements, any more work going on. 118, that'll do me. Yeah, so if this wind's interfering with the, it's very windy today. Yeah, a lot of talking points today. I was considering not doing a video today, but after yesterday's, well, last night's transfer shenanigans, if you like, just not much happening there, is there? I thought I'd get one done today. Sorry, I'm just flying and talking, which I shouldn't really do. Right, what's going on here? Not a lot, is it? Don't know if that is blowing in the wind because the sun's right on my screen. So it's like tape, don't it? You know, keep people out tape, restricted tape. Okay, so there's not a lot going on there. Quick look at the roof. Yeah, so that news about Caicedo having second thoughts only come out in the last hour, so after I've done this I get home, start editing, I'll have all Twitter on, I'll have Sky News on, I'll have everything on, trying to see what's what. Not much going on here, is there? Hopefully it all does change and he does become a Liverpool player. also on that point, if we wanted to play on Sunday, wouldn't you have had to be signed up by 12 o'clock today? Or was it 24 hours before? It's going to be an interesting day, because this is a British record fee, transfer fee. So the whole of the country, every single team in the country will be interested in this. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. There was a few things that people wanted to have a look at, but because I think it's an important talking point, transfers so close to the start of the season now. I'll have a look tomorrow. I'm working tomorrow, so I'm going to have to be at Anfield very early tomorrow morning to get a video out. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this Caicedo transfer. Think we're going to get him? Think we're not going to get him? And what you think the sticking points are of him having second thoughts. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Likes help me get the reach out there, and comments, I always reply to the comments. No one's claimed the prize I got yet, so if you see me in Stanley Park, come over and say that you watch my channel, and you'll have a prize in your hands. Okay, I've got the prize on me, and I'll be doing a live draw either Sunday or Monday for the other one. Okay, for everyone that commented on the video that I said comment a word on. If you haven't seen it, look at the video, get the word, comment on that video, and you'll be in the draw for a prize. It's quite a good prize. Right, leave it there guys. Look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.